This is the castor oil pack wrap from HUFL. Thank you to the brand for sending this to me to try. And as you may know, I love doing castor packs. My naturopath recommended it to me a while back. And so I'm really excited to try this specific one. You can see the fabric is nice, but it is also kind of leak proof, which I love right off the bat. It does come with an instruction manual. It shows you how to use it and all the parts of it and how to close it, and just talks about, you know, doing castor oil packs, why and how. This is what it comes with, the little cotton insert, which I really like that it's detached and a separate piece. So actually there's two more in here, so you get three in total, which is awesome. And it already comes attached with this strap on it, but it does come with an extender. So if you're a larger size, this will be good for pretty much anyone. And I love that they included that. So the pack itself, it looks like so. It does have a pocket here. And this is if you want to kind of have a little heating pad while you're wearing the castor oil. And so what you would do is you would take your castor oil and you would apply it generously on the inside of the cotton pad. Now I love that they have a separate cotton pad in addition to the actual wrap, and that's because often, as much as I love castor oil, it'll leak, it'll stain your clothes, and it'll make a mess, quite frankly. And I like to wear it for a long time. I like to wear it overnight. So if it's on this and then it's only on one side of it, and then cotton is obviously best for castor oil, it's natural. And on top of that, you would put that kind of on your abdomen, and then on top of that, you would put the pack and you open the thing, put it on snug, whether you like wearing it on your liver, on the side, or just you're doing a full belly, and you close the castor oil pack. Obviously, I'm wearing it on top of clothes now, but normally it'll just go straight on your abdomen with the cotton pad and then straight this on top of it. And then you can either sleep this way or you can wear clothes over it if you're doing it during the daytime. It's super lightweight, it's comfortable, it holds it in place, and it's really nice, a soft fabric, and it does have the cotton on this side as well. So even if it will absorb some here, it won't come through to your clothing. And this is really nice, very quality, durable fabric, yet very lightweight. So when you wear it, it's just extremely comfortable. Overall, really well thought out design, very useful and a beautiful product. If you want to do castor oil packs, I highly recommend the castor oil pack from HUFL.